Hey guys, how's it going? So I have this Dell, it's an Inspiron 13 inches 7000, and I want a new laptop. Not because this is not working, just because it's been like over 2 years that I had this, a little bit more, and I'm thinking of selling this one and getting a new one. So I wanted to get like M1 Apple computer because man, that chip is really cool. But then I was digging and I found this beauty. It's an Asus TUF. It's a gaming laptop, 15.6 inches, and the thing that I liked about this one is that it has the new Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070. So that one's really good for gaming, but it's also good for something called mining. So I was thinking like, well, I'm not like a miner or anything like that, but I can mine with this computer, plus I can use it for gaming, and it will probably give me like a return of investment like in a year. I was just doing some calculation, and I was like, well, kind of like a free laptop, so I'm gonna get it. Plus it looks dope, like from the videos, of course, I haven't seen it. I'm just unboxing it, so I'm gonna open it and let you know. Okay, here is the box. Let's see what it has. Ooh. Like this is a bigger laptop that I usually have. I usually like 13 or 14 inch laptops because they are just better to take. This one is 15 inches, which is definitely bigger than what I get. It's nice. It has this little thing that says TUF here, the logo. It looks like it has like a really good build quality. Let's open it up. It's kind of like it looks really nice, man. So I'll be testing it out. I'll be letting you know how I feel about it. Now this is a Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070. It has an i7. I think it has 1 terabyte solid state drive. I don't know what else it has, but I mean I read good reviews about it, and I got it for a good deal. I had to pre-order it because apparently they're sold out everywhere. Here's the charger. And I'm very excited. I haven't gotten a laptop in a while, and I'll let you know what I think of it, guys. But I'm excited. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, have a good one, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this computer, I'll be putting the link to buy it below.